Hello po everyone! Blessed day po sa ating lahat. So, in today's video, I'm going to share to you po how I did my CV or resume, and this is based on my personal experience na nasabi ko po sa comment na ito po yung mga sinend ko sa mga recruiters and as well as the employer, and after sending them this resume, sila po yung personal na they message me back din po. So, yun. So, ang gamit ko lang po is Canva, yung application na Canva. So, punta na po tayo doon. So, yan po. Open natin to. Later na si ano. Ito muna tayo. Simulan ko po dito sa parts po ng CV natin. So, of course, yung pangalan mong napakalaki, and then yung position mo po, current position mo, and next yung practicing certificate nyo sa New Zealand, and I just put my registration number. And ganun po. And then next is yung philosophy nyo as teacher. Ito po yun sa baba, below my picture. Then your personal details nyo, contact numbers, address, like that. And also, yung language nyo po na gagamitin. Ito. Expertise nyo. Yung skills nyo po. Yan. Naka-concise na po siya na ganyan. And then next po is yung educational background nyo. my educational background. Then, yung training certificate po natin na yan, mga yan. Yung educational background nyo po is from latest to the past years, and then the trainings and certificate is from latest din po to past years din po. Then, after that, the second page po is yung work experiences natin. So, work experiences po natin is yung name ng work natin, position, then main task po. Very specific tayo. Very specific po sila doon. Dapat yung position, yung date and end, then position, then yung main task nyo po. So, ganun po siya. Yun lang po, teachers. So, kung may question po kayo, actually yan lang po talaga. Lahat ng sinendan ko, yan lang. Yan lang yung format nun. So, that's all for today. But before that po, I would like to encourage you in Isaiah chapter 41 verse 10 says, "Fear thou not, for I am with thee. Be not dismayed, for I am thy God. I will strengthen thee, I will help thee, I will uphold thee with the right hand of my righteousness." So, teachers, marami pa po tayong pagdadaanan. Later po, gagawa pa ako ng videos ng step by step ng mga ano po yung magkakasunod-sunod na kailangan nating accomplish bago po actually makarating ng CV. Before po nang makapagpasa po tayo ng CV is kailangan po nating pumasa muna magkaroon ng teaching council certificate po. So that's all for today. God is encouraging us. Just as continue trust God na anumang process na meron tayo is let's keep on believing God and trusting Him. Thank you po, and God bless.